Guys, get the shoes. You know, it is time to go bowling. Which I know, change off in all the shoes. Me mama, Jesus Christ. Guys, me tell you the truth, I food me I defend, you know. I the food me I defend as I reach me hungry, I don't know what to my belly. Wow. But the place is nice. We get the bowling shoes. We get the lane. For the kids, we are going to put up the bumper. As you can see. The bumper lane. But we are going to just use the one without the sides. But yeah, the place is nice. I come here so already, but we never do a vlog. So I'm like, you know, why not? Why not? A family day. Right, so the first thing we do is put in the names. Then that's for the kids. Put in their names so everybody organized. And then so when you mark over there, so choose a ball. Let's see. So, why do I feel bad? All right.
I know the first one is smaller.
Josh, I gotta get to strike, you know. Oh, game over, guys. And the winner is I am dead last. Look at man. We're win. Get the drinks. They are blue Hawaiian and strawberry refresher. Alright guys, food there. Whatever mix up, whatever things. Yes. Yes.